Secluded private island. Sunrises over the boathouse. Breezy covered porch/patio. Arts and crafts design. Fold back doors open to stunning center great room, cathedral ceiling, original hardwood details escape to your own B&B. Open first floor great room with stone wood burning fireplace. Spacious eat-in kitchen and 2 first floor bedrooms. Second floor offers 4 bedrooms in a lodge-style atmosphere with a wrap-around hallway open to grand great room. Boathouse with covered deck and 40 feet dock, parking on both sides. Sandy bottom swim area, main lake location. Jogging path that circles Halsey Island, community of 18 private homes. Fully furnished home, just unpack and enjoy this summer on NJ's largest lake. Opportunity to purchase second guest home and gated mini marina on mainland with private parking area and boathouse.